Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to talk about the top 5 questions that I receive on Etsy. I'm Roberta with Creative Union Design. I wanted to create this video on my top 5 questions so that I can help my customers and walk them through step by step on how to resolve their questions. Number 5, do you work on custom orders? And the answer is yes. Most of the year, we are able to work on custom orders for our customers. Whether you need a slight color or wording change, or if you have an idea for a whole new design, we are always happy to assist. When you send us a message, we will gather the information of what you need so that we can give you an accurate quote for time and price. There are some times in the year when we're not able to work on custom orders, so just check our Etsy banner in our shop for any announcements. I'm always happy to help my customers, so if you ever have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I usually respond within a few hours. Number 4, how can I convert my PDF to a JPEG for printing? I do offer converting PDFs to JPEGs for my customers, so if you need a flattened JPEG for printing, please send me your finished PDF and I will send you the flattened JPEG. For Mac users, you can start by saving your edited PDF to your desktop using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Simply go to File, Save As, and save the PDF to your computer desktop. Step 1. You will want to open your PDF in Preview. Step 2. Now that you have Preview open, you can go to File, Open, and open your PDF. Step 3. Select File, Export. Step 4. In the menu, click Desktop to save your files here. Step 5. Select JPEG for the format, Best for the quality, and 300 pixels per inch for the resolution. Step 6. Click Save. And again, if you send me an email, I can assist you with converting your file. My email address is on the instruction sheet that's included with the download. Number 3. The file is not printing properly on the Avery template. This is super easy to fix, and I'll walk you through how to do it. We have a bunch of items in our shop that use Avery products. We have place cards, wine labels, champagne labels, favor stickers, hand sanitizer labels, and more, all set up to easily print on specific Avery templates. When printing to any of the Avery templates, you will want to double check your printer settings before you print. My tips for printing onto an Avery template are: number 1, be sure you're printing at 100% and not fit to page. Number 2, make sure your printer setting is set at center. My home printer defaults to top left, so just double check that. Try those 2 simple steps to have your printable item print perfectly onto the Avery template. Another option, if you would prefer not to print onto a template, you could purchase white matte cardstock or a full sheet of sticker paper. Then simply print and trim. Number 2. The file is not editing properly. What am I doing wrong? Sometimes, if you double-click the PDF to open, the file will open in a default program like Preview or even a web browser. We'll go step by step on how you can fix this. Step 1. Download Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. You want to be sure that you're using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Even if you think you're using the correct Adobe Reader, your program could be out of date, so just double check. Adobe Reader is a free program, so no need to download Adobe Pro. Our files do not work with Adobe Pro. They will only work with the free program Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Step 2. Download your file from Etsy. You will want to start by trashing the file you're working with. If the PDF was open in another program, it will no longer function properly when you do open it in Adobe Reader, so you will need to re-download. If you need to know how to download your file, you can skip ahead to number 1. Spoiler alert. Step 3. Open Adobe Reader first. Then select File, Open. Don't double-click the PDF because this could cause it to open in a default program. When the PDF is open in another program, it will look like it's editable, but you will lose a lot of the functionality and the ability to add a photo if your file includes a photo section. And now, for the number 1 question that I receive on Etsy, it is... I feel like I need a drum roll. Number 1, where can I find my download? This question by far is the one I receive the most, and it's definitely the easiest one. If you didn't receive the email with the link to download, you can first check your spam folder. If you're still not able to find the email, you can always access your files by going to the top right of the Etsy page. There you will see a photo or an icon that says Your Account. There you will see a section called Purchases and Reviews. After you click on that, you will see the download button. Please note that you will only be able to download these to a computer. You won't be able to download to your phone, iPad, or any other mobile device. Thank you for watching our video on our top 5 questions we receive on Etsy. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or have any suggestions of a video that you would like to see, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to check out our website at creativeuniondesign.com for tons of ideas for your next event.